How's it going?
I'm good. How you doing?
I'm good. So it was your charging port and your back camera lens.
Yeah.
Okay. Like 35 to 45 minutes or something like that?
Alright.
I'm going to be right here, okay? That's my call.
Appreciate
I'll see you soon. So your phone is good. So this is your back camera lens.
Oh.
And then your charging port is good too.
Alright, back. That's 165.
All right, perfect, bro. I appreciate you, man.
Thank you.
All right, have a great day. You got my number. Just let me know if you ever need anything.
Alright, back.
Thank you.
Peace.